It's so wonderful to connect with you finally, and long campaign but fruitful.
Because the kind of hand-holding that you've done for me, I'm not received from anyone before. This much of hand-holding. मेरा खुद के भाई ने मुझे इतना hand-holding नहीं किया जितना आपने किया है, sir.
So tell me, where were you previously, and what was the package, and what is this offer about, and what is the package here?
So here I was getting around 39 lakhs. In the next one, I'm about to get 45.5. Plus, they're offering me a huge chunk of ESOPs since they are a startup. So they're offering me close to 2.5 lakh shares. So they've offered me a good amount of ESOPs. So hope that if the company takes off tomorrow, I'll be in a good, financially in a very good position. One thing I'll tell you, sir, very honestly, whatever you've taught me, sir, the gratitude exercise, the meditation exercise, I'm still doing it. I still stick to, last time was the first time in my life, I think I wrote my goals. This year, I've written my goals again, and I was not able to achieve all my goals, but still I was there 60, 40%, 50%. I did something that maybe a year back I could have not done that. But I know that there is somebody there for my support, and it matters to me a lot. And you have no idea how much I've struggled in the last 2 years. And the moment I took your course, it was like a big sigh of relief for me. Ki, yes, this person, this first video that you'd sent, sir, with that package, that 99 rupees package, I watched it 2 times consecutively, sir. The one that where how to manage politics. Had you not sent that, sir, I would have never taken your course. I'm being very honest with you. That put me in a zone where this guy knows his stuff. He cares about the people he's trying to work with. So that changed everything for me. You've set a role model, sort of an example for me, sir, at least. I look at you as a very good, big role model in my life. And I see that if that person can do it at that age with all his might, then maybe I should at least put 10% of his effort so that I can call him my guru. You always set a lot of emphasis on adding value where you're working. So last year, I listened to you very carefully. Wherever I saw pockets of opportunity in my current role, I added value there. And believe me or not, sir, last year my bonus was close to 5 lakhs, 5.5 lakhs.
Which was a significant improvement over
the previous year. Yes.
Okay.
It was somewhere around 2.1 or something. And this year they were forced to give me that bonus. It happened in April.
So this is the horizontal promotion that I talk about.
I have a lot of hope, all thanks to you and Uparwala as well. Thank you so much, sir, for taking this time out. I know you're a very busy person. It means a lot to me. These 20 minutes, I think I'll cherish this for a very, very long time. Thank you so much, sir.
I have to tell you, it equally means a lot to me as well.